After days of sightseeing, noise, and non-stop movement in Rome, we were ready for something different. And then we found it. Cavtat, Croatia. A place so peaceful, it feels like stepping into a dream. We're Tanya and Martin, and we've been traveling the world, going to all the places that we've always dreamed of visiting.
We hope our adventures will inspire yours.
Sometimes you arrive in a place that feels like an alternate reality, somewhere time slows down and the world softens. Cavtat is that kind of place. Tucked along the Adriatic coast of Croatia, it's where tranquility lives. No rush, no noise, just beauty, peace, and simplicity. There's a charm here that's hard to explain. It's not flashy, it doesn't need to be. The cobblestone paths, the quiet coves, the way the sea glistens in the morning sun, it all feels almost unreal.
Cavtat is a peaceful coastal town on the south end of Croatia's Adriatic coast. It's just 30 minutes south of Dubrovnik, and yet it feels like a world apart. Cavtat's roots date back to the 6th century BC, when it was a Greek colony. Later, the Romans took over, until invading tribes drove its people north, where they founded what would become Dubrovnik. Today, it's a relaxing mix of seaside cafes, quiet beaches, art galleries, and cultural landmarks. Cavtat is also a perfect home base. From here, you can take a boat ride into Dubrovnik or even do a day trip to Montenegro. There are also excursions to the nearby islands, including the famous Blue Caves.
One of the best things to do in Cavtat is this stunning seaside walk around the peninsula. We'll take you around the peninsula now.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with
Dining here is simple and delicious. You'll find fresh seafood and traditional Croatian cuisine like pastikada, which is beef stew, Wiener schnitzel, grilled vegetables, and octopus. And as night falls, you'll often be treated to a stunning sunset. Staying here in Cavtat, you won't feel like a tourist. You'll feel like you've just stepped into a slower, softer version of life, one that invites you to pause and simply be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.